Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic back with another video on a popular request. How to make your engine last as long as possible. With proper preventative care and smart driving, modern engines can now easily get over 300,000 miles or more. That's easily 15, 20 years for most drivers. But without the right owner care, you're setting yourself up for poor performance and major engine failure down the road. We obviously don't want either of those outcomes. So here's my top 5 tips for keeping your engine in good health over the long haul. First and most obvious, regular oil changes. I can't stress enough how important this is. I know they're a bit of a nuisance and add up cost-wise, but fresh, clean oil is the key to a happy engine. The typical recommendation these days is every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. I'd go with 5K on new cars, and then as your mileage increases, somewhere around 7,500 is fine as long as you go with synthetic oil. But don't skimp. Always go with manufacturer-approved oils as well to be safe. As engines run, combustion byproducts get into the oil, it breaks down and gradually loses its lubricating abilities. That leads to dramatically increased wear and tear between metal components. Regular oil changes guards against that. Now my second tip may surprise some of you. Stop idling your engine so much. I know it feels harmless to sit there with the engine running while waiting for someone to come out of the store or killing time on your phone in the parking lot. But all that unnecessary idling causes more harm than you'd think over time, especially in frigid or extremely hot weather. Fuel doesn't combust as efficiently at idle, plus oil pressure drops. That allows unburned fuel and contaminants to build up on cylinder walls, piston tops, and valve stems, and it increases component wear. Next up, keep those vital filters clean. Your engine's only as healthy as what's being pumped through it. As most no-oil filters collect dirt, debris, and particles that break down during combustion and normal wear. Same for air filters, keeping outside dust and contaminants from getting pulled into the cylinders in the first place. Both should be changed on schedule or sooner if you're in dusty conditions. There are mileage intervals for both in your owner's manual. Stick to them. Running on old filters risks costly damage to internal components. The fourth thing is, use fuel injector cleaner regularly. Over time, dirty fuel injectors get clogged with deposits that can disrupt spray patterns and flow rates. This leads to less efficient fuel combustion and injection, decreased power, poor drivability, and ultimately puts more strain on the engine. Adding a quality fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank once every 10,000 to 15,000 miles can help remove these deposits and keep injectors operating like new. Lastly, to extend your engine's lifespan, regularly maintain and change the engine coolant, as it prevents overheating, protects against corrosion, and ensures optimal operating temperature. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended schedule, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, and use the specified coolant type. Regular checks for coolant level and leaks are also important. So there you have it, folks. Follow these 5 key areas for engine care, and yours will thank you in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.